Hello everyone, welcome back. I have some more free presets to give away. The free preset will be in the description below. After you download them, go to titles, look for SDS Cinematic Glow. The controls are all the same. The first one and the third one animate the same, and the second one and fourth one animate the same. I'll let them play through. You can stretch all these as long as you'd like, including 2 and 4 when they animate off. So just hold till the end. I'll demonstrate it. And 1 and 3, they'll just continue to stay on if you stretch them out. And if you click on them, you just have your text. At the very top, there's an image. Just like that, it'll change from text to image. Any square, actually any image you can pretty much use in here, but a square one is the simplest. I'll demonstrate. It's a 1000 by 1000. There's a reset size here. If you click that, that will adjust it. Even vertical resolution you can use. Once you put it in, just hit resize. And come down to image size. If you go too small, it'll show. And the image center, X and Y, move it up and down and back and forth. You'll flip the image. We'll go back to the text. The group controls operates everything at once. And you have your raise controls here. Now this is made for 4K. It will work in 1080 as well, but you'll probably have to change some of the raise controls a little bit to make it look correct. I'll switch that over now and show you what it does do. Before I do that, it does have a background. By default, it's transparent. You can put anything you want under it. If you want to use the background, just turn the alpha up, and then you'll have a colored background. Now we're on 1080. So it changes the raise. So if you want to use it on 1080, you can. You have to adjust things to your liking. And the image will be bigger. Just resize it with the image size here. I would assume most people would use 4K for stuff like this, but that's how I set it up anyhow. There you go. That matches now. But you can use it either way, 4K or 1080. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.